Is it Batman? No. Are you gonna be in this too? What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to Claudia Fajal TV, also known as the YouTube channel with the cutest puppies ever. Second one coming. Today we're doing a fun little episode because I want to show you guys my brand new Relife indoor cycling bicycle. I've wanted a piece of cardio for the house for the longest time, and I couldn't find a brand that I liked, anything sturdy enough, anything good enough, so.
Cosmo.
I want to show you guys just how easy it is to put this bike together and how easy it is to have a killer workout at home. So come join me, let's put our brand new bike together. Let's go. Okay, so what I didn't tell you guys, the easiest and best part about having this bike be together is
Me.
having your husband do it. So actually I'll help him. I'll be generous and help him. So we're gonna put this thing together. Let's see how long it takes us. Would you put it together already?
Yeah, installed, ready to go.
Hop on.
Ready?
Yep. All right, I don't think it needs very many pieces. There you go, Cos, get it.
Oh, don't eat that.
All right, coming together, I will say a big plus side is there's not a lot of trash that comes with this. So, we're a fan already. Not too many pieces, all the big stuff is already put together. We're getting close. Coming together. Charles, what do you think? Is that super easy? Yeah. All right, this is a exclusive look at our pain cave. We have Dan set up here, and here's my bike. So there we go, guys. Super quick and easy setup. So now we have to put the bike to the test and see just how good of cardio we get on it. So we're gonna check back tomorrow morning. We're gonna record the process, see if we get a good sweat in, and I'll keep you guys posted. Let's fast forward a couple hours. It's actually kicking my butt at home. So I'm averaging about 140 to 150 beats per minute, which is good for cardio. I've been on for 32 minutes and burned a whopping 250 calories, so that's really good. So it's perfect. As you guys can hear, it's super quiet. So So if you want to do your cardio with your partner sleeping in the other room, not waking your kids up, perfect for that. I'm so out of breath. And yeah, great little piece to add to the home collection. You guys should absolutely check them out. And I'm gonna go, I don't know for how long, but we're killing it, guys. So get your Relife bikes, and I will see you guys next episode.